So join we are using to join two or more table with each other. So we can make a new table where all the column from both table will be present. So that is called join. There are different type of joins like inner joint, left joint, right joint, self joint, cross joint, full joint. Okay, so we can see one by one. So today we will see inner joint. Okay, so let's check first our table. Select star from EMP. Consider this is our first table employee. Okay, so here ID and name of that employee will be present. Next, select star from DEPT. This is our second table where employees ID, department and salary will be present. Okay, so let's, if we want to join these two table and we will to merge all data in one table, so like for that we can using join. Okay, so let's start. So to join the table, we are now seeing inner join. Inner join means the table will given only the matching data from the both table. For example, consider here ID 1234 is present, and in first table also ID 123 will be present. So that ID will be matching from both table. Only that data will be showing. For example, we can see like select star from EMP. Then we have to join, we use the word join, which join we are using. For example, we are using inner join DEPT. So this is, we are joining first table to second table with the type of join. Okay, so this way we have to use. And then second, we have to use the join condition on which column we are joining. So we have to use on, and then we have to use join like from EMP table we have to join ID column to department table we have to join ID column. Like this way we have to emp.id equals to dpt.id means ID column from employee table we are joining matching on department table ID column. So like this way we are joining the two table, and once we run, you can see here it will be showing like from employee table ID1 and ID and name column will be present, and from department table ID, department and salary column are the present. Okay, and due to inner join, this condition where matches, that only record will be present. Like for example, ID1 matches to the ID1, again ID2 will matches to the ID2, or so only that matching ID data will be combined, means join, and it will be showing the output. So like this way inner joint will be work. Thank you.